In this video, I'm going to show you how to import and export contacts in your Outlook online account. This is especially useful if you want to move your contacts to another Outlook account or bring contacts from Google. Let's start with exporting contacts. Go to the People menu on the left-hand side. Here you'll see all your contacts. Click Manage Contacts, then select Export Contacts. Choose the folder you want to export from, or simply select All Contacts. Click Export, and Outlook will generate a CSV file containing your contacts, including names, emails, and any extra details you've added. Now, to import contacts, go back to Manage Contacts and select Import Contacts. Upload a CSV file with the contact information you want to add. It's best to keep the format similar to your exported CSV for smooth importing. Click Browse, select your file, and then click Import. Outlook will bring in all the contacts without overwriting existing ones. Once imported, you'll see the new contacts listed in your People menu